8 easy and simple ways to lose weight in 2020. 1. Sleeping habits. As a matter of fact, when we sleep for around 6 to 8 hours, we generally eat less the next day, which automatically keeps our weight in check. On the other hand, people with less than 6 hours sleep tend to eat sugary foods in the morning. 2. Drinking water. Before brushing, drink warm water generally early in the morning for better results. An awesome fact about water is you can drink as much as you want because it has no calories at all. This ensures you eat less. 3. Set proper meal timings. Set proper meal times and stick to them. Follow the practice of having 5 small meals a day rather than just 1 or 2 huge meals. Do not skip a meal, which will result in making your body feel as though it is starving, which further leads to additional fats. Eat only if you are hungry, or else it will make you overeat than required. 4. Fresh fruits and vegetables. Prefer drinking fresh fruit juice instead of juice that has artificial flavors and coloring. They contain hardly any calories, however a great deal of fiber. They have higher water content and makes them very filling. These are very nutritious, so eating them is really essential for your health. 5. Appropriate beverages. Drinking black coffee works beautifully in weight reduction as it helps to boost metabolism by approximately 40 to 45%. It also reduces the fat in the stomach. Drinking green tea may be effective for weight loss as well, since it helps the body's metabolism to be more operational. 6. Simple workouts and exercises. As we all know, the two most traditional and the best ways are walking and running. Implement the habit of using the stairs rather than the elevator, or even a lift for that matter. If you have a job where you sit the whole time, stand up and stretch every half hour or so and make it a point to move for a while. Example, try walking during your lunch breaks. 7. Swimming. Swimming is a cardiovascular exercise. Swimming is a fantastic method to get your cardio exercise, and it's low to no effect on your joints. Swimming can help tone and strengthen muscles. 8. Balanced intake of minerals, vitamins and other nutrients. Avoid foods containing fats. Analyze which foods to eat more of and which ones to eat in moderation. Emphasize a balanced intake of vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please click in the description below for some related information regarding to weight loss. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos.